Tyre manufacturers use innovative designs, quality raw materials, and utilize state-of-the-art manufacturing technology to offer you high-quality tires.
To keep enjoying the optimum and safe operation, tires need proper maintenance, just like a vehicle maintenance. You have to play your part in maintaining the tires. PART is an acronym standing for pressure, alignment, rotation and tread depth. Let us start with the first letter P, which stands for pressure. Tires play a pivotal role in influencing various aspects of driving experience, including ride quality, handling, fuel efficiency, braking, and most importantly, overall safety. The first and foremost parameter in tire maintenance is to maintain the recommended air pressure in your vehicle tires. Correct air pressure will help achieving optimum performance of the vehicle. Determining the right air pressure for tires is a straightforward process. Just refer to the sticker located on the driver's side door jamb. It's worth emphasizing that tire pressure should be checked and adjusted when the tires are cold. Avoid the temptation to check or adjust pressure midway through a long drive. Rather, pressure should be checked frequently and before starting a long drive. When it comes to checking pressure, it is not easy to judge the difference visually. Checking by manual method cannot tell the small difference. Always use good quality calibrated gauge. Incorrect air pressure can have several adverse effects. It can lead to irregular tire wear, reducing tire lifespan. Additionally, it impacts the vehicle's fuel efficiency and alters the tire's contact with the road, affecting grip, riding comfort, and handling.
When you keep higher pressure in your tire gets a more rounder shape and the contact at the center is higher, whereas there is less contact on the shoulder area. As we can see, this paper is going through in the shoulder area, so there's a gap. Whereas when the air pressure is lower, tire has this shape, and as you can see, there's a gap in the center area. So what happens is, when the air pressure is lower, there's a higher wear in the shoulder area, whereas when the air pressure is high, there's more wear in the center area.
Air pressure should be checked once every 2 weeks. Top up with well-maintained compressor which provide moisture-free dry air. Make sure to check spare tire periodically.
Maintaining the appropriate tire pressure may seem like a small step, but it can make a significant difference in terms of safety and vehicle's overall performance. Now let's explore A for alignment. Aligned wheels are the ones which rotate and move in perfect harmony with the vehicle's movement. Wheel alignment is the process of adjusting the angle of wheels to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications.
Maintaining wheel alignment as per the recommendations of the original equipment OE manufacturer is a basic aspect of vehicle maintenance. One should also get the wheel alignment checked and corrected if there are any signs of vehicle pulling to one side or irregular tire wear is noticed. Neglecting proper alignment can result in various undesirable consequences. First and foremost, it can lead to irregular and rapid tire wear, which not only incurs extra expenses but also poses safety risks if neglected.
Additionally, it may impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency, which can translate into significant long-term costs.
But there's more to the story. When your vehicle pulls severely on one side, it places considerable stress on the driver, making it challenging to maintain the correct direction and resulting in fatigue. This heightened fatigue in turn elevates the risk of accidents.
Therefore, always remember that ensuring wheels are correctly aligned isn't merely about prolonging tire life. It's about prioritizing safety and enhancing your overall driving experience. Next letter in part is R. which stands for rotation. Tire rotation involves switching the positions of the tires on a vehicle. This practice is essential because tires tend to wear differently at different positions.
Tires wear at different rates and different patterns at different positions. The wear rate and pattern are different between front and rear and between right and left. If we keep running the tires in the same positions, the difference in wear and pattern increases. Rotation of tires refers to the practice of switching the positions of tires in a vehicle. Regular tire rotation helps minimizing the difference in wear between tires and evens out irregular wear. Therefore, it plays a vital role in ensuring that the vehicle maintains consistent ride and handling characteristics. This makes rides precise, comfortable, and above all, safe. The key to successful tire rotation is following the pattern and frequency recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. In cases where the manufacturer's recommendations are not available, you can adopt standard rotation patterns, typically done every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. For front-wheel driven vehicles, both the front tires should go to rear in same side. This means that the front right tire goes to rear right and front left tire goes to rear left. The rear tires should be crossed to front. This means that the rear left tire goes to front right and rear right tire goes to front left. For rear-wheel drive vehicles and four-wheel drive vehicles, both the rear tires should go to front in same side. This means that the rear right tire goes to front right and rear left tire goes to front left. The front tires should be crossed to rear. This means that the front left tire goes to rear right and front right tire goes to rear left.
For information on unidirectional tire rotation and 5-tire rotation, please visit the ITTAC website.
If your vehicle model recommends different air pressure in front and rear positions, make sure to adjust the pressure accordingly after rotation. Proper and timely tire rotation does more than just enhance ride comfort and safety. It also extends the lifespan of your tires and eliminates the need to replace only 2 tires, saving you money in the long run.
The last letter in part is T, which represents tread depth. All the tires in your vehicle should have enough tread depth for optimum and safe performance.
Tires should be replaced when the tread wears down to the level of the tread wear indicators, or TWI for short. In other words, it's time for new tires when the tread wear indicators are exposed. These indicators are small platforms raised from the bottom of the tire's grooves. According to the Indian regulations, 2 and 3-wheeler tires should have TWI at 0.8 mm, while for other motor vehicle tires, including passenger cars and commercial vehicles, it's set at 1.6 mm. The position of TWI can be located through markers on shoulder area. TWI are available at 6 positions across the tire tread. TWI look like this in new tires when the tread is worn to the level of TWI. Tires should be replaced with new ones. As you can see, on wet roads, braking distance increases as the tread wears down. The green arrow represents braking with new tires, having around 7 mm of tread. The blue arrow shows a car with tires having 5 mm of tread, the yellow one with 3 mm and the red one with 1 mm. Notice the significant gap in braking distance between 3 mm and 1 mm of remaining tread. Due to this dramatic change in braking distance, not only in India but worldwide, regulations recommend changing tires when they reach TWI.
Worn tires are not only a safety risk due to increased braking distance, but they are also more susceptible to damages and punctures, leading to safety issues and inconvenience.
For your safety and the safety of others, make sure to replace the worn tires. Remember, even one worn-out tire in the vehicle can create unsafe driving situation.
Be tire smart. Play your part.